welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful lady with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful gem with me. This is Emily. Hi. And we are doing some last minute Christmas decoration, presents, whatever shopping, so we're bringing you guys along.
That's not champagne, guys, for those of you who don't drink. But I honestly want champagne. These are like essentials. Peppermint bark. Essentials. M&M's. I'm buying 1,000 sprinkles. For us, but...
Honestly, I've never looked uglier in Target.
Honestly, I'm surprised that we haven't gotten kicked out yet, because I've seen like so many videos of people that come to Target to do videos and then they get kicked out. We're lucky. We're so lucky. Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. I thought this was peppermint mocha. This is peppermint mocha.
I need this for my life. Okay, I think we've gotten enough candy. We need to get decorations. So we're gonna get decorations.
The best part of Christmas is a decoration.
Is a decoration.
Oh, look at all the cute ornaments. Cute. Did you do a theme for your tree?
The theme is everything rose gold. I need to find rose gold. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys. Can I just pretend that this is rose gold? Like, I need this, honestly.
Got you this?
So I saw that Target actually has a rose gold Christmas tree, but I can't find it. Disco balls. Should I hang these on my tree? Or should I just hang these somewhere else? I don't know. We'll have to see. So unfortunately, the only rose gold things we found were those disco balls, so I think I'm gonna go with like a white silver theme. And look at these little trees. There's many little ornaments and stuff, so I think I'm gonna get one of those like just for like a cute little decoration, but then I'm also gonna still get a big tree. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna fit it in my car though. She's literally not getting it. She just wanted to be part of this video today. Okay, so getting these.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I'm really debating on whether or not I should get this little bear. Maybe not.
Okay, so the Target that we came to like literally has nothing.
Oh, these would be cute with your silver stuff.
Yes, give me that. Let's put it in the basket.
There's no way. Is Rebecca not a common name? There's a blank one. A blank one? A blank one. I have a name. They do.
Honestly, the tree that I want is that one. So that was a bust.
Yeah, not a lot going on.
Not a lot going on at this Target, so we got a few cute things, so
enough to make Christmas work, I guess.
yeah. I guess this is what happens when you come last minute, so don't come last minute, guys.
Yeah, think ahead next year.
Yeah.